The best moments are early in the morning because sometimes, or the most time, you are alone and you see the sun is coming and maybe the wind is blowing and there's nobody, just you alone, and that's one from the nicest part from the day. I have to do everything. If there is no cook, I'm also cook, but I'm also mountain guide, I'm also ski instructor, and I work now about 30 years in the rescue service. There come an alarm, so it must be very quick. But not just this alone, also our material too heavy, so we need a long time to going up, because sometimes it's not always possible to go with the helicopter. Now I'm 60 years, but maybe 30 years ago I take always the heaviest material and I say I take this one. But the size is also very important, because if the size is too big, so it's not possible to climb with the material. The mountains are my life. Everything. The snow, the sun, rock climbing, skiing, ski touring. Yes, outside. Also the wind. If the wind is blowing very strong, you feel the nature.